If you are ready to bring your own character to life in Unity, let's get started. First thing first, let's head over to the Mixamo to download a new character. Go to mixamo.com, sign in with an account or create one if you don't have it yet. Once you are signed in, you can browse through a large section of free character. I am going to choose this character, but feel free to pick any model you like. With your character selected, click Download. In Download option, choose FBX for Unity as the format. Leave T-pose checked and hit Download. Now that we have got our custom character downloaded, let's import it to Unity. To do that, let's create a new project. Click on New Project. Select 3D template and give your project a name. Then click Create. Wait for the editor to load your new project. Let's start by adding some assets to our project. For this project, we will be using two assets: Fantasy Worlds, which we will use as a demo scene for this project; Third-person character controller by Unity as a default controller for our character. The link for these assets are available in the description as well. Add these assets to your account. In Unity Editor, go to the Windows menu and select Package Manager. Select My Assets from the drop-down menu. Select the assets from the list. Then click the Download and Import button for the both assets to import them to your project. When you click the Import button, a small Unity import package window will appear. Simply click the Import button on the Import Unity package window. When you click the Import button, the assets will be added to your project. Follow the same process for the third-person character controller as well. Close the Package Manager window. Now, for your third-person character controller to work, make sure your active input handling is set to correct settings as mentioned in the previous part of this series. After ensuring active input handling is set to correct settings, we are ready to use the third-person character controller in our scene. For this project, we will be using a demo scene from Fantasy Worlds. Now it's time to import the Mixamo character in Unity. In Unity, create a new folder inside your assets called character and drag the downloaded FBX file into this folder. After the import finishes, you will see the character in the project window. Before we use this character as our player, we need to adjust few settings to make it sure it's compatible with the Unity third-person controller. Now, let's set up the character model properties so it works with our existing third-person controller script. Select the imported character in the project window, go to the inspector, under Rig tab, change the animation type to humanoid and click apply. This makes sure that the Unity treats this model as a humanoid character, which is important for working with animations. Now, drag your character into your scene. Next, head over to the Materials tab and check Use External Materials, which ensures your character textures are properly applied. Click Apply when you are done. Press Fix Now. Our character is now ready to be animated. The next step is swapping this character with our old one in the scene. First, let's add the third-person character to the scene. First, delete the main camera. Now, drag the main camera, player armature, and player armature follow camera to a hierarchy window. Expand the player armature. Select the player follow camera. Drag and drop the player camera route to the follow settings of the follow camera game object in the inspector window. We can now use the third-person character controller. Now, let's replace the default character with our new character. First, ensure that both characters are in the same position and have the roughly same scale. You can do this by comparing the position of both characters and setting the position of our new character to the same coordinates. Also ensure that the scale of this character is roughly the same. After that, simply expand the player armature game object and find the geometry object and expand it as well. Then, drag our new character to the geometry object of the player armature game object. Now, select the player armature object and change the avatar to our new character. Now delete the default amateur mesh as we are replacing it with our new character. Select the amateur mesh, then right click on the object and select delete. That's it. Now you will be able to control our new character. Hit the play button and use WASD keys to control your character. And that's it. You have successfully replaced your default Unity character with a custom Mixamo character. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Unity content. If you have any question or need help with the specific part, leave a comment below and we will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.